Hi, welcome everyone. Today I'm going to show you how you can go into screen to record your screen. Very easy, and it's going to be a very easy way. Actually, there are many millions ways that you can make it, but today I brought you one of the most easiest one. The thing is, you have just only to connect on your Google and open iSpring free cam download, and it's gonna be here as you see. So click enter. Don't go normally or directly to this. Uh, Scroll down and you will find something. Yes, here we are. Vista. Download Spring, iSpring FreeCam Vista. Click on it and it will open this one for you. Now click download now for this one and go for run and set up your program. You will find it here. I already have it, but I don't have to download it again. So you can go to down to open the downloads button, and you will find it like this. Double click on it and then install. It's very easy, and then click on I agree and everything. So the thing is, after you set up this icon, you will find it here on the desktop. Double click on it and you can make a new record. So here it shows you where exactly you want to make this recording through this screen. You can minimize it, maximize it as much as you want. It's up to you. So, and after this you can record here, and you can choose also from the list. I prefer always to make this one 16, and also if you want your microphone, you can check it here from the settings and then cancel, and after you can record it. After you finish all of this, for example, you want to record right now, you see they will give you countdown, and after you can record everything you want. If you want to escape it, just make escape and directly it will open it for you, and you can see and check wherever you want. You can make the trim from over here, you can make a new record, you can save it and upload it directly to YouTube. For example, if you're making video games or wherever you are recording, so you can make it directly to YouTube, and that was all. Also after, for example, here I don't have to save it, just I wanted to show you. So I wish that you enjoy it. Thank you so much.